Yo guys, what is going on? My name is Fisher. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful morning, noon, or night, or whenever you guys are watching this video. I hope it is going well for you. In today's video, we have a tutorial on how to use stinger transitions in your live streams to make them look and feel that more professional. And at the end of the video, I have a link that will get you 10 free stinger transitions. Yes, 10 free stinger transitions from Visuals by Impulse, the big design agency for streamers. It is incredibly cool, and these stinger transitions are very professional looking. So let's get into it. But before we go, I do want to say that I stream on Twitch almost every day, if not every day, at 9 p.m. Central Standard Time. So if you ever want to come by and just check out the stream, check out the vibes on the stream, link will be in the description below. All right, so once you have Streamlabs OBS open on your system, you're going to want to navigate to the bottom left-hand portion of the screen. It says Untitled for me. It might not say Untitled for you, but I just have a hard time naming a lot of the things that I have. So it says Untitled for me, but it should say whatever stream package that you have here. So what you're going to want to do is you want to go over to this plus, minus, and cogwheel sign, and you're going to want to hit this Edit Scene Transitions cogwheel. This will give you the opportunity to edit your scene transitions. So right now we are met with transitions, connections, and then add transitions. So what you're going to want to do just to start off is add a transition, right? So you're met with this panel, and you can change the name, the type, and the duration of it. So depending on the type of transition that you have here, it'll give you more properties to change here. So we are just going to switch it to stinger transition for instance. So you also are met with a video file, browse section, transition point type, transition point, audio monitoring, and audio fade style. A lot of these you really don't have to worry about. The only ones that I would really worry about is the name, type, duration, video file, transition type point. Actually, that is it. So once you are here, you can name your transition whatever you want. We're just gonna put new, dude, I can't type today, new transition B exclamation point. Just because we want to add some flair to it, you know, just your own personal style, really doesn't matter. All right, so if you already have your transition downloaded onto your machine and exported, you can click this browse file, and then you can link it to your file on your computer. So we're going to do that right now, and by default I have one right here that I was messing with a couple days ago. I bought a pack and I was using it, trying it out, and it's not finished. So you're going to see some things that aren't actually going to be on your transition type. So double click this, and now it is in here, and by default you probably are going to have to change the duration in milliseconds. Remember, it is in milliseconds, not seconds. I got that so mixed up when I was first trying to put my own transitions into Streamlabs, and I was continually running into the problem of the transition isn't long enough, or it's too long, or it's not cutting in the scenes properly, and it was just making me very upset. Then I found out it was milliseconds and not seconds, so keep that in mind. All right, so now once you have everything set up and customized to your liking, you're gonna want to hit done, and look, we have this new transition, baby. And you can have as many transitions as you want in Streamlabs. So if you want to really go crazy and just deck out your stream with whatever, you could. So we're gonna click new transition, baby, and click done here, and watch the magic happen. Look at that. That is a nice transition right there. But let's go back in and let's talk about connections. All right, so connections are a really cool feature. So say that you wanted a specific transition from one scene to another scene that is different from the global transition that you have already set up. You can do that with connections. So what we're going to do is we're just going to click this button, add connection, and you're met with 3 different parameters that you can switch out, change, whatever. You're met with the beginning scene, the scene transition, and the ending scene. So with the beginning scene, you can choose whatever scene you want in your stream panel that you would like to start off with. So I'm just going to keep it at intermission, right? And then you can change your scene transition. So if you remember, we set up that new transition, baby. Let's go ahead and click that. And then we're going to choose our ending scene. So instead, we're going to go to be right back. All right. So that's that. We got it. Click done. And at any time, you can actually change it or edit it or delete it, or if you just want to start over, you can do that too. So we're going to click done and we're going to watch this magic happen. So we're already on intermission. Let's go to end game real quick. All right. You see that transition. That is our global transition. Go back to intermission, right? And then we're going to go to be right back and watch as the transition is going to be different from our global transition that we installed earlier. Look at that, dude. It is so cool, the functionality that this has. You can really customize it and make it your own to make your stream so much different than everybody else's. But before we go, we are going to go to a website that is going to give you 10 free transitions that you can use in your stream absolutely 100% free. Link will be in the description below for all this stuff. So open up Google Chrome, and we are at Visuals by Impulse. Dude, they have some of the world's greatest streaming gear that you can use for your stream. So we're going to go to their store and Stinger Transitions, and it is the first one here on this page, absolutely 100% free, 10 free Stinger Transitions. Click this, and it literally looks so good. Look at this, guys. That is amazing looking. It looks absolutely dope. Like, you could do so much with this. And they work really well on Streamlabs OBS. Perfectly optimized. I know this one looks really good. I was tempted to use that one. I was tempted to really use this one as well. These look really good. So all you have to do is put it in your cart. I already have it in my cart. And we're going to check out, and boom. Look at that, dude. All you have to do is put in your payment information. I'm not going to do that here today. That's because, yeah, I'm just not going to do it here today. But it's absolutely 100% free, and you will get it, and you can download it and put it into your streams. It is so amazing. But without any further ado, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Hope it helps. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Share it. Help somebody. Make somebody's day. And without anything else that I have to say today, peace out.